Go to Start menu and open Command Prompt as administrator. This is default view of Command Prompt. Click on left corner and go to Properties. In this screen, select Custom Text Size and Font. You can see changes in console terminal.
Now open again Command Prompt Properties.
In Layout section you can customize console screen size. You can also change screen background and text color. Color changes will take effect after program restart.
This is also console background and text color. Cursor shape and color also can be changed. You need to restart Command Prompt to see changes properly. You can see my custom command prompt.